Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today let's make another one great mini gift, Christmas mini gift series. Welcome back. Great mini gift. We're gonna make today a lip balm, okay? So in here I have a lip balm tubes, okay? Again, I went for like a pink colorful ones, so choose your own favorite color, okay? I have in here little pink ones. I'm getting them from AliExpress. Of course, it takes time to come from AliExpress, like 2-3 weeks. Possibly you don't have that much time, so just go and order from Amazon or from the eBay and you will have it in a few days time, okay? So we're gonna need a little tubes here. Then I have in here already weighed it out, and as usual the whole formula recipe you find in the description box below. I have in here weighed out a Candelilla Wax, okay? This is the only one wax I have at the moment, so that's what I'm gonna use it. So Candelilla Wax is a substitute for beeswax. It is a vegan version, okay? If you have beeswax, use this one. If you have some other wax, use the other wax. It doesn't really matter. Use the wax what you have, okay? To this, we're gonna need some butter. I have in here a mango butter, okay? I love mango butter. It's a soft butter. If you don't have mango butter, don't go look for it. Use a shea butter, use cacao butter or some other butter. Just don't use the butter what you have in the fridge, okay, for cooking. Just any other butter, okay? So I have in here butter, and I have in here weighed it out as well a coconut oil. Organic, unrefined coconut oil, which smells amazing as well. If you don't have coconut oil, go and substitute for some other oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, or I don't know, almond oil, or jojoba even oil, some other oil. As well, we're gonna use some vitamin E. Vitamin E, it is a very strong antioxidant. It has so great many benefits, and it will be perfect for this all-based ingredients, which will keep all the product, you know, from getting rancid, okay? And for this, I'm gonna choose one essential oil, and this essential oil is wild orange essential oil, okay? I love the smell of wild orange essential oil, and as I told you probably before that, the oranges, the mandarins, easy peeler, it really reminds me of Christmas so much, and the season of these great citrus fruits. It's starting like at the end of October or something like this, and it really reminds me of Christmas. I love them, so I decided to use wild orange essential oil. You can use peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, and I mean, there's so many essential oils you can use for your lip balm, okay? So what we need to do now, we just need to add so oils, butters, and your waxes in a one beaker, okay? We're putting everything together, and then I'm just gonna add into the double boiler for everything to melt. Or you can put in your microwave if you have it. Because I don't have microwave, I'm just gonna put it in my double boiler. And because Candelilla Wax has such a high melting point, so for all of this to melt, it's gonna take me about 20 or even 30 minutes, okay? So bear with me and I come back in a second and go and melt your wax, butter and oil, and I see you in a while. Well, welcome back. So I have my wax, oil and butter here melted out, okay? So I'm just gonna take it out, okay? Just gonna wait for a while to kind of cool it off, okay? It's pretty hot. To cool it off before I put my heat sensitive ingredients, which are vitamin E and essential oil. So we're gonna put 1% of vitamin E of the whole formula and 1% of orange essential oil. For this, you're gonna need a little scale, okay? I have it here. And as well, I have prepared my little tubes. So I just put them around with the rubber, okay? Just kind of to have them together. And just gonna place all the oils inside, put it aside, leave it to solidify, and then they will be ready to use. And we're gonna mix it to lovely Christmas gifts, okay? So it's cooled down. We're gonna put on the scales on, tearing out the scales. So 1%, we make 25 grams, so 0.25 of vitamin E, which is, as I said, has such great benefits, stirring out the scales. And now I'm gonna add orange essential oil. Okay, perfect. Putting everything aside and now mixing it very, very well together. The smell is divine. So this is your all natural, organic, vegan, just, cruelty free, go crazy with the names, handmade, homemade. Your only balm. And all these butters, it's such a great quality and all natural. It's perfect. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just pour this into our little containers. Okay, so we are done with this. I don't want to move them, so what we're gonna do now, we have to leave them aside to solidify, and I see you in 1-2 hours. Bye. Welcome back, guys. So it's been almost 2 hours and I have them here, as you see. Okay, we can put it aside. So I'm just gonna show you one, okay? The rest I'm just gonna close it and they're gonna go as a little mini Christmas gifts for my friends. Okay, so let's try one. So you just have to pull it up. I actually have lip balm myself now because I'm always wearing lip balm. It's just maybe a habit, too big of the habit. Lovely orange, smell. It's not too strong. I love it. It's so soft. And these ones, little tubes, it's so simple to use, and as well they are so tiny ones, they can fit in your purse or anywhere in your little pocket. Okay, I love it. It's like, as you see, it's like light yellow in color. I really can feel the oil because I'm using coconut oil, and coconut oil is very rich and it's very good for your lips, especially now in the winter time. And it's gonna keep your lips soft and moistured, and hydrated and protected in this winter. I love the smell. I love the smell, and it's got mixed with the coconut oil, so the orange is not so strong of the smell, so the smell is really lovely, amazing. It makes such a little gifts, as you see. Isn't it cute? And you made it yourself, like in less than 10 minutes or so. I mean, give it a try, and make your own Christmas mini gifts and give to your loved ones. Perfect. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.